Hey guys! Today we're going to be making Maeun Bibim Guksu, other known as spicy Korean cold mixed noodles. What a title! Anyway, love ya! So first, you want to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then put just like one pinch of hundashi. This is optional if you can't find it. Just like 1 pinch. This is what it looks like. And then you want to put 1 tablespoon of katsu sauce. I think that's how you pronounce it. This one. This is like bomb. So definitely get it. Like that much. And then I'm putting I think like 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I know this is like sushi soy sauce, but I think this soy sauce tastes the best. So I like to use this one whenever I use soy sauce. Yeah. And then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This is for some tang. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of mirin, or I think rice wine vinegar. I'm not sure, but it's mirin. I'm gonna put like 1 teaspoon. This is around 1 teaspoon. It's really hard to grab gochujang with like a measuring cup, so this is like around 1 teaspoon of gochujang, or Korean red pepper paste. Yeah, about that much. It's optional, but if you guys want like more spice, I guess you can put 1 teaspoon of Korean red pepper flakes. And then you can put as much sesame seeds as you want. If you don't like them, just take them out. And then we're gonna put some sesame oil. Just put as much as you want. I put maybe half a teaspoon. This is what it looks like. And then just mix it. Pretty simple. Make sure there are no lumps of gochujang. Make sure the sugar is dissolved. Or you can use any sweetener you want. You can use honey. And just taste as you go. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna cut a cucumber now. I'm gonna give the ends to my dogs. And just slice it. We're going to slice them into strips. Real simple. Just like that. Okay, next I'm going to cut a pear. Maybe a quarter of it. Just throw that out and then peel the pear. Just cut it into thin slices. Sweet. Okay guys, so you want to boil some water first, and then you want your noodles. I'm going to use this. It's made out of rice. There's like a one that's made out of flour, but I prefer this one because it's more chewy, has more bite to it. It's 쌀 소면. And then just put your noodles in and boil. Put as much as you want, or as little as you want, or you know, whatever. Just try your best, okay? Okay. So just boil it for like 4 minutes, I guess. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That's what it says on the package. But if you want it more al dente, then cook it less. If you want it more soggy, I guess, cook it more. So that's basically it. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil and we're gonna fry some dumplings to go with the Bibim Guksu. I'm gonna be using this brand today. It's spicy baby octopus mandu. It's really good. You should try it. I definitely recommend it. Okay, maybe too much. Come on! Come on! Okay. I'm gonna cover it with a lid so that it can cook faster. Just like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some water. Steam it a little bit. You wanna be careful because it'll splash at you. Just do it real fast. It's like steaming and cooking at the same time. And that's it. I'm gonna put the noodles in. We're gonna bibyo it. That's why it's called Bibim Guksu. It means to mix. Bibim Guksu. It tastes better if you mix it with your hand versus a utensil. Just like that. Now we're gonna put the pear and the cucumber. As much as you want. Now we're gonna put some pear. Maybe a little more because the pear is so good. I know it might seem like a weird combination with the pear, but it's like the best combination ever. You just have to try it. And then we're gonna put some spring mix. Just to be a little healthy, you know. Or a lot. However much you want, you know. I don't have that much. And if you want, you can put more sesame seeds. And some more sesame oil. And there we go. Time to eat. This is the finished product. Just want to mix everything together and just eat it. It's so good. The crust. The crusto. You see the crust? Focus, focus. Come on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for making it this far in the video, like all the way to the end. Like thank you. Appreciate you guys so much, and just thank you. That's all I can say, like, for choosing this video out of all the videos in YouTube. And love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay? Bye! Love you. Bye!